and welcome back to Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally. So we are going to be doing a video today that is actually going back to a while ago when I did a waves smocking, and I really like that smocking, but I want to do it on a slightly different type of fabric. I've got some velvet and I've never tried it before, and I want to see if it works on a different textured background. So let's get into this. This is the fabric that I have got, and it's got this little shimmer of silver in it, which I think is really nice, and it's nice and soft and velvety. So it doesn't look much at the moment, but let's see what we can do with the smocking effect with it. Here is the back of the velvet fabric, and you can see I've marked off 11 inches 1 inch squares, and then down I've got enough to do 10 inches. So, and I've drawn it on with biro just so that it stands out. I have literally just got to show you the sunshine outside. This never happens very often in Manchester. Well, not never, but it's a really warm day. So very, very happy. Just going to pop the design on here, again in biro. That's the design, and now I'm just going to start up here. 2 lengths of thread, and I'm starting over here, top right, tiny bit of the fabric. Just checking it's not going to come through. Yep, and through that little bit there. Pull that tight. It's really quite thick, very different to the satin fabric that I used before. I'm just going to pop 2 little stitches, actually 3 little stitches through there, tie a knot. Cut it off, another little knot. I always just wrap a few different lengths of the thread at the bottom there, push it to the end, you get a nice chunky knot. So here we go. Tiny dash, going in, this one. Pull the fabric, and we're going to do that all the way down. That's what it looks like. That's the first row. That's what it looks like on the front. And I'm going to do exactly the same, just threaded up a nice long length of thread, and I'm going to go from the top down to the bottom again. So I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to start in the corner, tiny little nip of the fabric. I've done a chunky knot, so hopefully in a minute I'll discover whether it goes through the hole. No, lovely. And then over to the bottom corner, and then you just pull the fabric. It's a nice and easy one, this one actually, no, but the results are really effective, I think. Just pull that. So I was thinking in the comments, it'd be really good if, you know, I've been hearing from a couple of you and you've been giving me some great feedback, which is fantastic. But it'd be really good to hear about kind of what sort of art you're into or what you like making. Be good to sort of hear what skills and see what other skills people have got with art. With blackcurrant. Right, got my drink. Let's carry on with where we're up to. Hello. Hi. What are you telling me? What are you telling me? Hey? Hello. Hello. Hang on, I think she wants a dreamy. Actually, she really loves those. I don't know if you've seen them, licky licks. Absolutely, she'll do anything for those. So I'm now on my 4th row. So we're cracking on with this. Wrong way. That's better. I'm on my last square here. There we go. Ready for the reveal? There we have it. That is so nice. If only I had a little bit more fabric like this, I think this velvet is a bit of a winner. So you can just kind of shuffle the wavy bits around to get it the way you want it. You can even look on the back and just double check that everything's in place. Like so. Beautiful. Love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video today. You enjoyed doing the smocking piece again, just in velvet. And do you know what? I've got another one that I did. Forget it. Also did this one as well. I don't know if you got that kind of shimmer in the light there. It's got a little sparkle in it as well. So you could imagine using these. I know they're little samples at the minute, but you could imagine using those on the mannequin, an art project for A-level, GCSE. But yeah, they're really yummy. I do really like those. So yeah. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps to hit the notification button so that you can see when I next upload. there's any questions about what I've done today. So take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon. Bye!